Very interesting story. I'm introducing the father of cool. Now, even if you Google it, do you know who actually invented the modern air conditioner? It is actually the gentleman whose product we're going to actually review today on the show, Willis Carrier. Now, if you Google it, you'll also see that not only did he actually invent it, lots of innovations, R&D around the modern AC also comes from him. You know how we in India buy ACs and we look at the capacity by the tonnage, the ton. Oh, this room needs 1.5, this room needs 1 ton, this one needs 1.2. But things change, seasons change. At some point you need a room to have 1.5, and at times you may actually not need all of that. This AC can adapt. It can go from a different tonnage to a different tonnage, and you can actually set it on the AC. We'll show you that in the review. And now towards the gutsy part. The gutsy part is, you know how we go and buy green ACs and we say it saves us electricity? Carrier has been gutsy enough to actually tell you what the consumption is, and they show it on the AC. Now that's guts, right? I mean, you sell an AC and then you say it's green and then you forget about it and you can never check. This one will tell you exactly what power, what wattage is being consumed by the AC right on the AC. So like I said, the father of cool, lots and lots of very, very cool things around this AC. I'm going to show you all the features I spoke about and a whole lot more. Here we go.
With scorching summers around the corner, it is time to get those ACs serviced and running, and maybe even buy a new one. Well, we are reviewing Carrier's new Superior Extreme Hybrid Jet AC on the show today to tell you if it's worth considering this summer. The Superior Extreme is a split AC. It is also an inverter AC, which means it is conscious of the power it consumes. But Carrier goes one step ahead here and has something called FlexiCool in this, which basically allows the user to change the tonnage capacity of the AC. This can be done from the remote itself and has 3 modes. One where the AC works at 100% at 1.6 tons, one where it operates at 75% at 1.2 tons, and one at 50% capacity as well. This is for the times where there is not much cooling needed and electricity can be saved. But how will you know if it's working at a lower tonnage? Well, the AC display can show you the kilowatt usage, which shows the actual electricity the AC is using. It is a smart AC, of course. It connects to the Wi-Fi and even connects to Amazon Alexa or Google Home.
Alexa, turn on Carrier Extreme.
Okay.
On or off, or even setting a temperature can be done through simple voice commands. And there is a Carrier AC app as well that AC connects to, making it a literal breeze to use.
You know how privileged we are in India to actually have incredible summers where heat can literally make, even when you're walking out on the road, out in the open, it can be molten lava out there. That's where most ACs completely and totally fail. So 45, 46, 47 degrees, most ACs fail. Do you know till what level and what temperature this one can actually work efficiently? I have it set at 17 degrees, and even if the ambient temperature was 55 degrees, which is insane to even think about it, at 55 degrees it would still efficiently work. Now that's another huge, almost miracle this AC can pull off.
And the AC manages to cool in extreme conditions because of its outdoor unit called the Hybrid Jet technology that gives faster and powerful cooling because of its high CFM value. The AC claims a powerful throw of air too, even at 40 feet. We tried it with a few tissues at 12 feet and it was pretty strong. Along with cool air, Carrier has kept pollution in mind in India, and the AC has a PM 2.5 filter built in, so clean air blows into the house. The Superior Extreme Hybrid Jet is priced at 72,990 rupees, and it might be deep pockets for an AC, but it keeps a check on electricity consumption, it's easy to use, and it's super smart. Carrier calls this one the father of cool, and the Superior Extreme Hybrid Jet proves itself to be just that.
Available at all showrooms of Naveen Electronics. Naveen se nahi to kahin se nahi.